car going around. Pull it off. Lift this part and pull it off. These are going to be your pieces for your hair and your nose and your eyeball. Let's see how you pull yours off. Okay, what are you going to make first? Your eyes?
Yes.
Okay. There's one eye. Oops.
I did it too fast.
It's okay.
Okay.
Now go in deeper so it can come out.
You gotta go deep, Claire. Good girl.
But when we go super deep, it will break.
The board will break. The board is pretty thick.
Gotta start all over again.
That's okay. Let's see. You did it. There you go. Now pull it out.
But how?
Use your stick. Watch. The stick can pick it up.
Oh.
Yeah, let me chop this part off. Okay. On your eyes.
It's hard.
Yeah, it's pretty hard. Let's try this one.
Wow.
There.
This is so strong. But heavy.
You have strong fingers too.
You have to poke it all the way through, Mimi, so you can take out the clay.
Just a little bit deeper.
Go deeper.
Just this side. Look. The plain side.
But what's inside the clay?
The clay is made from the ground, from the soil. The
But
dirty
how do
ground.
we get it if we can't get it?
You dig it out of the ground and you stir it up in a big company. You need help?
Now what do I do next? Make the nose.
Make your nose. Are you going to draw your nose or are you going to make a nose like I did?
I'll just draw like this.
You can draw it.
Like this.
Good.
And to go deeper,
That's a
Bryce.
nice nose.
Good.
Reminds me of potato head.
Go deeper, Bryce.
Doggy.
Yeah, there is a doggy outside, huh?
Ooh, I like your nose.
See?
You think I see the
Are you
doggy?
wanting to draw your nose or make a nose? Okay, get some crayon, put it on. What shape do you want? Let's see your stick, I'll help you. When you need help, just ask me, okay?
Go there.
And I'll help you.